morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Australian dollar and the US dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. Tesla's stock gained 2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The dollar traded sideways ahead of today's US employment data that could help the Federal Reserve set a timetable for easing, while the euro held steady after a widely anticipated European Central Bank rate cut. Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO said it expected deliveries in the second quarter to more than double from a year earlier to between 54,000 and 56,000. Revenue would also nearly double to about $2.3 billion in the 3-month period starting April. Oil settled up 2% after the European Central Bank opted to cut interest rates, spurring hopes that the Fed will follow suit, and OPEC Plus ministers reassured investors the latest oil output agreement could change depending on the market.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The US average hourly earnings will be released at 12:30 GMT, Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT, Germany's industrial production at 6 GMT. The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT, the Eurozone's gross domestic product at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.